I got a corny joke entry. What did the mayonnaise say to the refrigerator door when it was open? Close the door, I'm getting dressed. No. It said, close the door, I'm dressing. You get it? Because people call mayonnaise like dressing. On my life, grinding on my life,
sacrifice, hustle paid the price, want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life, look, all my life, been grinding all my life, sacrifice, hustle paid the price.
Welcome all my beautiful people all across the world. I'm back with another video. This is going to be another outdoor video similar to my last video when I was outstairs at my high school on the bleachers and on the field. This is going to be some arms and abs for sure. Yep. So stay tuned and we will get right to it. I do have two of my other friends who's going to try to join me in this exercise. So we'll see how it works out. I'm sure they're not gonna want to be on film. But if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you're notified whenever I post a video. And if you're a return, thank you, my love. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video, and please comment down below. So yeah, let's get right on into it.
You should try and do what we done.
Hopefully I have enough battery charge on my camera. I only have 2 bars out of the 3 bars. If not, I will have to use my phone. But anyways, we'll see what it do. It's gonna get done. Hey y'all ready for this workout?
We must.
Keita, you ready?
Am I sucking it in?
Yeah, girl, you looking good.
This is what sucking is.
Hey. All right, so here I am doing my first exercise. It is 2 jump squats followed by 1 push-up. Each round I add a push-up. So here's the second round. I did 2 jump squats and then 2 push-ups. I'm gonna walk back down, do 2 more jump squats, and this time I'm gonna add 3 push-ups. I did this for 5 sets, 2 rounds. And before I did this, I actually did warm up and I ran up flights of stairs 3 times up and down. Okay y'all, so this is the next exercise. I have a resistance band and I try to keep it as resistant as possible as I walk up 3 steps of stairs. When I get to the top of the 3rd step, I do 3 squats, and I do this for 5 reps of these 5 reps, 3 sets. And I wanted to add that I try to stay as low as I possibly can. I believe this is set number 3, and by set 3 my booty was hurting. Lord Jesus. Alright, so exercise number 3. So what I'm doing here is I'm sprinting up about 15 to 20 steps as fast as I can possibly go. Walk them down. I do that 2 times, and then by the 3rd time I jump squat, as you see here, 5 steps, skipping a step, and then I go back into sprinting 15 to 20 steps 2 more times. So yeah. know if you can see her, but there's my other friend. Laid out. There's my other one. So now that we kind of finished up our cardio, we are now on the field and we're going to do some arms and abs and maybe a little bit of glutes down here. As you can see, I'm starting off doing some push-ups. I am doing 10 reps for 3 sets. Alright y'all, so as you can see, I'm doing some basic crunches. 3 sets of 20. First round, my feet are flat on the floor. Second round, you'll notice my feet are like at a 90-degree angle. And then the third round, you'll notice that my feet are straight up in the air. Alright, now we're on to some heel taps to work on the obliques. And I believe I did 3 sets of 20 with these as well. Y'all, I'm really not sure what these are called. I guess like planks into hip dips. I'm not sure, but I did 3 sets of 10.
Is on the beat.
Alright, so this move is very awkward, especially when I speed it up, but you know, it is what it is. I'm doing these hip thrust frog style, where your feet are kind of like slanted together and you thrust your hips up, making sure you squeeze at the top. 3 sets, 10 reps. Y'all, by this point I'm tired, but these are single leg hip thrust, and I did 10 on each side for just 2 sets. Lord Jesus knows I was tired. This is the last exercise. These are hip abductors, and I did 15 reps using the resistance band, followed by 10 tricep dips. I did it for 3 rounds. that's it for this workout session. It was killer, it was burning, it was extremely sweaty, it was extremely hot outside, but I made it, my friends made it. So let me know down below if you made it, if you're gonna give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.